Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are going to learn an important statement of Excel VBA, that is option explicit. We will learn what is this and how to use it, and if you do not use it in our code, what will happen. So let's go to the computer screen for detail. So we are in the computer screen now and already one module has been inserted here. Okay. First we will insert a sub here. So sub test. Okay. And we will declare two variables here, a and b. So dim a as integer, comma b as integer. So we can declare multiple variables by this way with separated by comma. Okay. So we will assign some value to the variables now. A equals to 10 and b equals to 15. Okay. And we will take output of this with some like on the message box. Okay. So message box a plus b. So if we run this code, what will be in the message box? 25, because it will sum the a and b. Let's try. If I click on run, you can see a message box comes with 25. If we make a mistake, suppose instead of b we have typed bb, twice b we have typed. Now what will happen? If I run this code again, it will work, but the result will not correct. It is 10. You can see it is 10. What is happening here? Because a is 10 and b is 15, but we have declared here, we have mentioned here bb, and bb means nothing here we have declared because it's considering as 0. That's why 10 plus 0 is 10, the output. Okay. So this is an error basically. System is not able to check the error basically. For this, we need to apply the option explicit. Let's try it. We will write it on the above of our code. Okay. So option explicit. Okay. So if I write this statement here and going to run this code, you can see error comes with compiler error with variable not defined, because we have used a variable like bb, but we haven't defined it. So if you are using this statement option explicit, then we need to declare all the variables which we are using in our code basically. Okay. So for example, I am just closing it again. Commenting it out and running it with debugging mode with local window. Let's see what happened. Okay. Before that, we will bring the local window. Once I click on the step into, you can see one is variable a, one is variable b, which we have defined already like as an integer, but we haven't defined the bb. You can see it comes at variant. So if we are not using the option explicit on our code and we are using a new variable which we have not defined, then system will consider the new variable as a variant. You can see it is a variant. If I click on the step into again, you can see a is 10, b is 15, and if I pause this, you can see it's 10 because bb is 0, that means empty. So we need to use the statement option explicit on our code every time to get a proper output. And one more thing, I'm just closing it, stopping it actually. So here if we insert a new module, you can see I am just clicking on insert module. You can see by default the option explicit not written here. To bring the code option explicit automatically in our module while we are inserting a new module, we have to enable one option. For this we need to go to the tools, click on option, and we can find here require variable declaration one checkbox which is not checked. We need to check it and click on OK. That's it. Now if we insert a module here, we can see the option explicit statement will be by default there. So that's all for this video. We will meet in a new video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.